This video is a part of a series all about manipulating arrays.
Let's talk about the concat method. Let's say we have two arrays, one listing what we have in our fridge and one of what we have in our freezer, but we want a list of everything that's in both. The concat method can help us with this. The concat method creates a new array, and it is used to merge two or more arrays together. Let's talk about the concat method syntax. This is the variable that will hold our new array. This is the call to the concat method itself, and this is where to add the array or arrays that you plan to concatenate with the first array.
Let's dive into some code.
Here we have the two arrays we just talked about. Let's call our variable fridge and freezer contents. We'll call the concat method on the fridge contents array and tack freezer contents onto it. Let's print our results to the console so we can see them when we run the file. Then we'll run our file using Node and see our concatenated array of both things in the fridge and the freezer. But what if we had three arrays with another array for what's in our pantry? We would do essentially the same exact thing by first setting a variable, calling it all food, and then calling the concat method on fridge contents, and in there, calling both arrays inside the concat method. We make sure to print the results and then run using Node, and you can see that all of the arrays are now listed together.
Are you gonna put the groceries away? No?